Hello there and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing, unboxing, first impressioning this sponge that I bought, and it is the JUNO&CO Sponge. I saw Jordan Byers review it and she said it was amazing, so I decided to buy it and test it out. So it comes in this cute little packaging. And so the sponge itself comes in this. That's actually really cute. So it is called the JUNO Microfiber Fusion Sponge, and it was only $4, okay? $4. Comes with this little booklet as well. Cute. Cute. It is the Microfiber Fusion Sponge designed by JUNO&CO. $4. It even has a little thingy, thing. So yeah, it's microfiber. Let's just get into this. I'm going to open. Okay, that didn't work at all. Okay, so it comes with this thing inside. It says use it dry. Dip, tap, pat. Let's see what this has to say. Used to apply liquid foundations. Oh, you can use it wet too. Use it to apply concealers, contourings, it says avoid using too much product the first time, or you can use it to apply loose powders. So it's pretty much a beauty blender, except you can use it dry and it's microfiber. Wow, this feels weird. It's like really dense. So in Jordan's video that I watched, she used it dry and said it was amazing. So I'm gonna try it dry. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So just my normal foundation. And I'm just going to get her out my face. I'm just gonna. It's actually a perfect day to do this because I'm having like the worst skin of my life right now. Sorry, my mirror's right here, so that's why I'm looking over there. So I'm just gonna use that side. Jordan, did you lie to me? Oh, we're just gonna keep going. Okay, there we go. I mean, I feel like I need to get it wet. Maybe it's just this foundation. It's like, oops, sorry. Let me fix ya. It's like streaky, so let's try this again. I don't know how I feel. Let me get my mirror. It looks a lot better than when I first started. Oh, sorry. I really think it would be better wet though, but like my appeal to this was that you can do it dry because I'm so lazy and I hate wetting my beauty blender. And I use this foundation with a beauty blender every time I wear it, and I never have issues. Like, I don't know, it's kind of patchy at first. So it can't be a foundation because, I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. It said not to use too much, but I feel like I need more. I could be making that up. Like, that is way more than I use. That is like triple what I use when I use a beauty blender. Ugh. I don't know. What do you think? I feel like it looks good. But I don't like the feeling of this. Like, it's hard. Like, I feel like I have to push really hard. But once you blend it all out, it looks pretty good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't like it dry, I don't think. Like, it's just too hard. Like, even my beauty blender, like when it's, this isn't beauty blender, I mean it's Real Technique sponge, but whatever. Even like this is way squishier, I don't know. Ugh. See, like, I think I would like it better wet. I'm not gonna judge this quite yet. I'm going to take this off and wetten it. Or I'll take off half and do this side wet and then leave this side the dry. So I'm going to wet this, take off this half of my makeup, and then I'll be back to reapply and see if I like it better wet. Okay, I'm back. I removed this half. Dude, it's like dry already. Okay, I guess it's kind of, oh my God, I'm so confused. I don't understand this technology, I guess. Okay, so, I don't know. So I do like the way it blended out my makeup. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's just like, I don't like how hard it is when it's dry. Okay, so it's like kind of, I don't know, it's like, I don't know how to feel. Okay, so I've applied it wet, even though it's literally dry. Like, I got it wet and I wrung it out, and it's like, it's just like dry again. Like, it's dry. So, maybe it just feels dry, I don't know. This side looks more full coverage just because I used like too much foundation on that side. Okay, so we're just gonna zoom in low. Please don't judge my skin. So that's what this side looks like. This was wet and this was dry. So, I don't think it's a bad sponge. I think it blended out everything really nicely. There are a few patchy spots, but honestly it could just be the foundation or just be like a dry spot that I have on my head. I don't know, I kind of like my beauty blender better. Just because like this is like so hard. I feel like it's just really hard to like put on my skin. Like, I feel like I have to push so hard. Like, my arm is sore. But it said you can use loose powder with it. So let's do that. I'm using my Rimmel Match Perfection. Just as I always do. I mean, it's not bad. I will say that, it's not that bad. It's not bad. But I don't think I prefer it over my beauty blender. it was softer or just like less dense, I feel like I would like it a lot more. Like Beauty Blender thing, like I don't know if you can tell, but like I can feel it. And to compare, like this did get really big though, like when it got wetter. So like that's the size of it compared to my face, so it's really big. So yeah, I don't dislike it. I don't think it's the most amazing thing I've ever used on my face in my life. I will probably use it again, but I probably won't reach for it as much as my other sponge. I don't know, maybe I could try it with a different foundation and maybe I would like it more. But yeah, so that is my review. My final thoughts are, it's good. It's not the most amazing thing I've ever used. I will probably use it again, but I will probably still use my Beauty Blender more. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. Honestly, just like buy it, see how you feel about it, because Jordan said she loved it in her video. And it's only $4, like you can't go wrong. It's just kind of personal preference. It's just like too like dense and hard. Way harder than this sponge. So yeah, I would definitely try it out for yourself. I feel like a lot of people would probably like this. It just like wasn't for me. So that is it from me today. Hope you enjoyed this review, demo, first impression, unboxing, dealio. I'll definitely keep trying this out and keep it updated, keep my updated thoughts on it in my next coming videos. So yeah, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.